Dude said he ran a 9-1 when it had the air shifter on it. He took the air shifter off, so it should still be in the mid-9s, mid to high 9s. Spring water is disgusting.
I agree. Shit is nice.